So the question I am going to handle now is A is the sister of B, B is the brother of C, C is the son of D. How is D related to A? The options are A is mother, B is daughter, C is son, D is uncle. So these are all relationship questions. These are all relationship questions. You will be getting 1 or 2 questions in each and every paper about relationship. See, normally what happens is, they will always lay the first element, the last element. So don't prepare charts, don't prepare tables and do it. Just take the first element along with you as you keep on reading. A is the sister of B, B is the brother of D means A will become sister of D. C is son of D means A will become daughter of D. How is, don't give the answer as daughter. The question is how is D related to A? D related to A as either mother or father. The father option is not there, the answer is mother. But in case you want to do it in a traditional way, so A is the sister of D means A will be sister. Put it in the same line because they are siblings, B will be brother. B is, A is the sister of D. Now as of now you don't know who is B. Then it says B is the brother of C. B is the brother of C. So he will become brother. B will become brother. And C is mentioned as C is son of D. So D will be here, one line above. So this will be son. So what happens is, because this is son, he will also become brother. He will also become brother. So A, B and C are siblings. A is the sister, B is the brother and C is the brother. Now because C is son of D, A will have to be daughter of D. A will definitely be daughter of D. But the question is, how is D related to A? So D will be related to A either as mother or father. Because the father option is not there and can't be determined is also not there, you will have to choose the answer as mother. The answer is mother. So subscribe to my channels. I will be adding lots of questions. I also got my own website. I will also be uploading these videos in my website. My website ID is www.aptitude-bsk.in. So you can subscribe here or you can subscribe in YouTube. Either way you can see all these videos and practice lots of questions. Ensure that you get your placement in the very first company. All the best.